Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to your ELD3 class. Today, we will discuss again the formal summary and its element. But before having such thing, please do not forget to make sure that you have your daily do now checked. If yes, let's get started. Just like what I've told you last time, formal summary is academic writing type. It is the type of an informative writing. If we say informative, it gives information and it tries to educate us. It means when we read it, we learn something from it. It provides an overview and objective overview of the topic and its important details from the informational texts. The writer credits the author who writes primarily in their own words without including personal opinion. There are different elements of a formal summary. First one is the topic sentence. Second one, detailed sentences. Third, concluding or closing sentence. And last one, transition words or phrases. But there's a bonus one, the citation verbs. What is a topic sentence? A topic sentence includes the text type, the title, author, and topic. Always remember the T, T, A, T. Text type, title, author, and topic. In our example, the text type there is the essay. The title is Should Animals Be Used for Scientific Research? The author is Dian Fazzi, and the topic is Using Animals in Scientific Studies. So always remember the T, T, A, T. Text type, title, author, and topic. The second element of a formal summary is the detailed sentences. Detailed sentences include important details from the summarized texts. One example of that is the first one. The author explains that animals have contributed to many important medical discoveries that help save human lives. This one is one important detail from the text that we read. The second one is this one. The second one is scientists follow rules to protect animal usage, suffering from the experiment. And the third one, that some medical research still relies on animal testing because certain alternatives are not fully reliable. As you observe, these three sentences are very important to our topic, using animals in scientific studies. Detailed sentences are sentences that support our topic. And in our texts, our topic is using animals in scientific studies. The next element is concluding or closing sentence. The concluding sentence here in our example is the last sentence, since it is the closing one. Fuzzy concludes that while animal research should be carefully controlled, it is necessary for some scientific and medical advancement. The next element are the transition words. Transition words or phrases help the reader identify the most important details. It introduced us in it in they introduces us the important details that we can get from the summary. In this particular example, one transition verb is also. We also have in addition, but there are two more. What are they? Finally, and the word first. Last one is the citation verb. Citation verbs are verbs that show that the action is done by the author. What are the examples of citation verbs? The word discusses. What else? States. And here we also have argues and concludes. Those are uh, the elements of a formal summary and what the formal summary is. Thank you for listening.